Many people see Probox as just a car, but let me tell you, some people are making 15 to 20,000 Kenyan shillings every single day using it. Not per week, not per month, but per day. They make 20,000 Kenyan shillings using it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, and how you can start even if you're just beginning. If you own a Probox or you are planning to buy one, this video might just change how you see that car forever. Because today we are talking about turning it into a real income machine. So just make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will be giving you the important tips that will make the biggest difference if you want to make 20k daily using Probox, because it is fuel sufficient. If this video sounds like something you are interested in, do well to like it, and also do well to subscribe to this channel. Like I always say, subscribing is absolutely free. Let's start with the first business model, which is the courier and delivery services. This one is one of the easiest and fastest ways to start making money. Right now, small businesses sell products online, like on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and even WhatsApp. But they don't have their own delivery drivers. And so that is where you can come in with your Probox. You can deliver clothes, electronics, food packages, furniture, or even supermarket items. And here is how the money works. If you charge 1,000 Kenyan shillings per delivery and you do 10 deliveries per day, that is already 10,000 Kenyan shillings in one day. Are we together? And remember, these deliveries, they increase during weekends, holidays, or even during the sales period when the sales are many. And that is why many Probox owners start from here. Hello? The second business model is the school transport business. Now, this one is a stable daily income. Sometimes school transport can be expensive, and many parents are looking for reliable and safer school transport means. And with your Probox, you can provide a safer alternative means. So, if you can carry 8 students and each pay 250 Kenyan shillings per trip, morning and evening, that becomes about 4,000 Kenyan shillings every day. You get it? And the best part is, this income is consistent every school day. So, even before the day begins fully, you already have some money in your pocket. Business model number 3 is transporting goods for market traders. Yes, you can transport goods for market traders with your Probox. This business here is very common, but very profitable as well. Because traders always need help moving sacks of vegetables, sacks of fruits, sacks of goods, or even shop stock. For one trip, you can charge between 1,500 to 5,000, depending on the distance. So if you can do 4 trips in a day, that could make around 8,000 to 15,000 Kenyan shillings a day. Are we together up to that point? And many traders prefer drivers that they trust. So once they know you, they will keep calling you. The next business model that you can do with your Probox is airport or tourist transfers. You can register your Probox with Bolt, Uber, local transport groups, or you can even build your own clients who calls you directly. This business is where sometimes bigger money comes in. If you live near tourist areas or airports, people are always looking for affordable transport. So, you can charge 2,000 to 5,000 per trip, depending on where your clients are going, or depending on the distance. So, with just 4 clients, you are already close to 20,000 Kenyan shillings. And many drivers get these clients through WhatsApp referrals, hotels, or even tourist companies. You can go to these big hotels and leave your business cards there. Leave your contacts there. That's how it's done. In case of any business, they give you a phone call. Another business model that you can do with the Probox is supplying businesses daily. This is something many people don't talk about, but it is one of the most reliable income, because some businesses need daily transport for water, soda crates, gas cylinders, or even shop restocking. So you can imagine this. If 5 businesses can pay you 2,000 Kenyan shillings each day, that is already 10,000 Kenyan shillings guaranteed. And that is before you even get other jobs within the day. So, this is how some Probox owners actually reach that 20k daily. First, let me show you the realistic daily schedule. In the morning, they offer school transport and they get 4,000 Kenyan shillings from the 8 students. Then midday,
they do deliveries and get the 8,000 Kenyan shillings. Then in the afternoon, they do business supply runs and get 5,000 Kenyan shillings from it, at least 5,000 Kenyan shillings from it. And then in the evening, they do airport or private clients and they get at least 3,000 Kenyan shillings. And that is a total of 20,000 Kenyan shillings in one day. Let me tell you something, not every day will be like this, but many drivers reach this level once they build clients.
Are you enjoying the video? If you are enjoying this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot. Thank you. Now, this is the important tip that makes the biggest difference. And this is what separates drivers who struggle from those making serious money. First, put your phone number on the car. Visibility is very important. And then second, join business WhatsApp groups. Third, be reliable and always keep time. And then fourth, work with online sellers. And lastly, build repeat customers. Because once they trust you, they will keep calling you again and again. So now you know that a Probox is not just a car. It can be a moving business. If you had a Probox today, which of these businesses would you start with? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this about small businesses that actually work, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Because on this channel, we talk about real ways to make money. Watch this next video if you are a stay-at-home mom and you are maybe confused or you have no idea about a business that you can start as a stay-at-home mom. Watch this next video and I promise you, you are going to thank me later. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.